Welcome to Questrade. In this video, we'll guide you through creating a married put strategy using the Questrade Edge platform. A married put is an options strategy where you buy a stock and a put option for that same stock at the same time. This put option can act as an insurance policy, protecting you from significant losses if the stock price drops, setting a minimum selling price for your stock during the life of the option. To get started, please open your Edge desktop app and log in. Once you're in, click Order Entry to begin the process. Next, enter the symbol of the security you're interested in trading. Stocks displayed are for illustrative purposes only. Then, click the button next to the search window and select Strategy from the drop-down menu. In the drop-down next to that, choose Married Put. Now you're ready to fill out your order details. To help keep yourself informed, you can click the Snap Quote button at the top of the window to get the latest cumulative ask price for the stock and option. From the drop-downs near the top, you can select the quantity of shares you wish to buy, the expiration date for the options, the strike price, the price at which you're willing to buy, and the option type. At the bottom of the window, you also have the ability to choose between a market order or a limit order. Specify how long you'd like your order to remain active, as well as select your preferred routing type. Once you've configured your order to your desired specifications, click Send Order. A pop-up window will then appear, displaying the details of your order, such as the trade value and the impact on your buying power. If everything looks correct, click Send Order again to confirm. We hope you found this video helpful. For more informative videos on how to navigate your Questrade account, please check out the other videos on our YouTube channel.